What to do when Samsung soundbar does not connect through HDMI cable or optical cable. Check connections. Make sure the HDMI or optical cable is properly plugged into both the soundbar and the TV. Set correct input source. Select the correct input HDMI or optical on the soundbar. TV audio settings. For HDMI ARC, set the TV audio output to HDMI ARC. For optical, set the TV audio output to optical. Update firmware. Ensure both the TV and soundbar have the latest firmware installed. Power cycle devices. Unplug both the TV and soundbar for 30 seconds. Test with different cable. Swap cables HDMI, optical to rule out a faulty cable. Factory reset soundbar. Turn off TV and soundbar. Hold volume up and down for 5 sec. Turn on TV and soundbar. Set sound output to soundbar. TV ARC shows, sound plays.